Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Somerset, and Union, including the coastal waters from Sandy Hook and let out 40 nautical miles, Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, and New York Harbor. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Northern New Jersey, southeast New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania, in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike, and Wayne. And in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.